Last night went down to 2 degrees Fahrenheit and the waterfalls are freezing. And this looks to be the most ice that we got on the waterfalls this year. The water is still flowing underneath the ice sheets, but last night was really cold, so the ice is growing more and more. Now we do have a high at 25 today, so if that sun comes out, we might be able to get some ice to melt. So let's take a closer look here. You can really see some fun ice formations. And you can really hear it percolating underneath all the ice sheets. And we'll take a look at the top of the waterfall basin here. It's almost frozen over. I still have the polar bear here getting a drink out of the water. And you can clearly see the signs of all the wild birds coming for a drink as well. But during the winter, this actually turns into a great place to watch the birds because it's one of the only open water sources around. The starlings for sure know it. Huh, pup? Enjoy nature today.